Are you looking for the best mini circular saws? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best mini circular saws. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Makita Saw Kit. This micro circular saw is light, wireless, and tiny, weighing only 3.5 pounds along with the battery. Because any hand tiredness is reduced to a minimum, it is appropriate for both genders of various sizes. It comes with a 3.4-inch blade with a 1-inch cutting depth and bevel cutting capabilities. Makita also did an excellent job of designing it, with its rubberized hand grip and sideways motor position setting it apart from the competition. Another significant feature is the wrench's attachment to the saw, which makes changing blades easier. Makita offers a 3-year warranty on this small saw. Up next in the 6th place is the Genesis Compact Saw. This Genesis saw is a little tool that packs a punch. It cuts through soft and hardwoods, as well as composites, copper, aluminum, and drywall with ease. This saw features a cast aluminum gearbox for added durability. It also has a triple gear reduction that allows the blade to rotate at 3,500 RPM while delivering outstanding torque. You get a straight line ripping guide, a debris collecting system, and the adapter to make it all work. It even comes with a 2-year warranty. Coming in at number 5 is the POPOMAN Cordless Saw. This is a wireless mini circular saw with great mobility and portability, making it ideal for folks who work on the go or in off-the-grid situations. It has a 2AMP battery that provides plenty of power for quick cutting. You can safely and rapidly install and detach the blade with the included supplementary tools. The blade guard and safety switch design help to reduce accidents during operation, ensuring safer cutting work. The battery post position divides the front and rear masses, allowing for more steady cutting. At number 4 we have the WORX Compact Saw. WORX's WORXSAW was created specifically for those who want a small and flexible package in one. Although it isn't as powerful as the Dremel we saw earlier, it does have certain advantages. You can reduce the cutting depth to 2 inches, allowing you to easily rip through 2x4s for instance. You can adjust the sharp cuts up to 45 degrees. WORX incorporates a parallel guide for precise cuts, as well as a protection trigger in the grip for enhanced control and comfort. It's also very light, weighing about 5 pounds, making it suitable for anyone. The 3rd product on our list is the TECPO Mini Saw. Copper motors produce less heat than copper-clad aluminum motors, extending the life of your saw significantly. The blades for wood, plastic, and soft metal, as well as the grit diamond blade for tile, are designed to broaden the scope of the tiny circular saw's use. Straight cutting with a large cutting depth is possible with these blades. You can cut a crisp, perfect line with the help of a legal laser guide and a 7-inch scale ruler. For further safety, the base is made of gauge iron, and the upper cover is made of aluminum. Second on our list is the Makita Mini Circular Saw. Reasons, besides the size of the blade. First and foremost, the blade guard and show are considerably different, in that the saw plunge cuts into the wood, rather than operating like a typical circular saw, where the blade guard swings out of the way of the blade as the cut is started. This requires a twin trigger system, making the saw safer to operate. Unfortunately, it also eliminates the ability of the saw to tilt, making beveled cuts. The other 2 saws can make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Because the Makita is smaller than the other 2 saws, its depth of cut is smaller as well, topping out at 1 inch. This means it can cut 3/4 thick plywood, but it can't cut through 2x4s, unless the cut were made part-way through from one side and then finished from the other. However, it does come with 3 blades, allowing it to cut the light metal, aluminum or brass, and ceramic tile. It is surprising how well it cuts through the tile. Finally, the top product on our list is the WORX Mini Circular Saw. The WORX Mini Circular Saw takes a step up in size from the Makita. It's corded, just like the Makita, but it runs a 4/1/2-inch blade, big enough to cut clean through a 2x4 in one pass. The depth adjustment is on the back of the saw, topping out at about 1 to 3/4 inches, which gives you the extra 1/4 inch of blade you want when cutting thicker boards. Design-wise, instead of a pistol grip handle like a full-size circular saw, the WORX has an extended body where the motor sits right behind the blade. It's a little different feel, but very easy to manage. The shoe bevels up to 45 degrees, just like a regular saw though, as always. Cutting at an angle does cut down your max depth. Overall, it's a basic, no-frills tool, but I was excited to see how well it could really handle full 2x4 cuts. For something this compact, that's pretty impressive on paper. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.